Hi, today's mystery is our anchor mystery. So it's the intro to our next science unit, which is going to be talking about chemistry and different minerals and materials and how they break down and how they go together. So you guys are going to start off by examining what an alchemist is, and they are essentially the original scientists. So people who are really, really smart and curious about different things in science, and they got together and they talked about it, um, and they studied these things kind of without any type of scientific proof and wrote books about them, and it was the beginnings of then scientists going ahead and using their thoughts to study and further pursue these ideas. So they did a lot of things with trying to study different metals, and it was essentially the beginning of what chemistry is in the science world today. So you guys are going to learn a little bit about those scientists. You're also going to be learning a little bit more about what a gargoyle is, and basically, they are stone statues, and they're found on different buildings all around the world. Your mystery for today is going to focus on Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris, and I put a quick video for you to look at there too. So you're going to be focused on the stone statues that sit atop that cathedral. It's important to know that they are almost 900 years old, and that kind of goes along with the idea behind the mystery for today. You're also going to be looking at the video for Notre Dame because it applies because the cathedral was burned down almost exactly a year ago, a little bit over a year ago. And so the video is going to show you what it's like to rebuild that. And they're looking at how the materials that the building was made out of melted in the fire, which definitely goes along with this topic as well, and how the gargoyles that are still there on the cathedral have changed over the course of 900 years. So we're going to be focused on the different elements in nature. So things like the sun, the wind, specifically the rain, what those materials are made out of, and how that affects things like stone, more specifically limestone, and the chemical reactions between those things. So, nothing that you have to do for this today besides watching the videos. And again, this is preparing you to start thinking about the topics that we're going to be focused on with the rest of the mysteries of this unit. So, you guys are going to watch the mystery. You're going to read through the slides. Then you have 3 short videos to watch. The first one is about the alchemists. The second one is about gargoyles. And the third is about rebuilding Notre Dame, so that you guys have a, kind of an understanding of what it is. You can definitely go on and do some further research on Google, Notre Dame Cathedral, and you can see lots of pictures and other videos of what it looked like inside before the fire, and hopefully after it's rebuilt, which is sure to take a long, long time, it is a place that you can someday visit. I went years ago, and it is incredibly beautiful and really cool to see in person. So again, you're watching through the mystery, you're watching through the 3 videos, and we are getting ready for our first experiment into the world of chemistry.